Hello everyone, I am Jyothi Kamalesh from the Department of Computer Science and Business Systems. I am currently a full-time opportunity at Wells Fargo, and we came into this opportunity through the Wells Fargo's WhatsApp groups, and we were excited for this opportunity because it allowed us to innovate for a neobank. So, after being scrutinized for after 16,000 teams in the initial rounds, we were one of the top 3 teams which got selected in the hackathon. All the winning teams were offered an internship opportunity. Eshwarite gave us a good environment and good ample enough time for us to complete the internship. So in the internship also we were asked to deliver a project on various domains such as machine learning and full stack development. And through the knowledge that we have gathered through our initial years in the Eshwarite, we were able to complete the project in time and successfully garnering the internship. The Department of CSBS, the tools such as Business Model Canvas and its high focus on business communication allows us individuals to be more of a seamless collaborator. It can make you a highly efficient team player. And the classes such as design thinking will allow you to come up with new ideas more and more, such that you'll be a very powerful brainstormer. Personally grateful for the mentoring and all the resources provided by Eshwarite that allowed us to become the better version of ourselves for this opportunity. Thank you.